If you're anything like me, you're always on the lookout for new ways to make passive incomes. After all, who doesn't want to make money while they sleep? Well, it turns out that there are many ways to make passive incomes from NFT. This video is sponsored by NRGY.com. NRGY is the future of decentralized finance. For more information, visit NRGY.com. NFTs are tradable digital receipts stored on a public blockchain. These are like tickets for things that can't always be seen but exist in tangible and intangible forms. So, how are you supposed to earn passive income from it? Rent out NFTs. The next time you're looking to make some extra money, consider renting your own NFTs. You can list them on frontier marketplaces, and borrowers would be able to set terms with smart contract that governs the deal between themselves, all in exchange for an hourly rate or a monthly rate. NFT royalties. The technology behind NFT has had a significant impact on the collector's market, allowing creators to set terms that impose royalty fees whenever their creations change hands. In other words, if you're selling your digital artwork, royalty will be charged on all the sales regarding this particular work as long as it continues to change ownership from one person or entity to another. So, even if you sell off the original copy, there are still funds coming out because they get paid every time someone tries to buy into owning parts of those rights too. The royalty terms are fully automated. You don't have to implement them or track payments manually because all that is done for you by smart contracts. Stake NFTs. The integration of NFT and DeFi protocol will allow for staking. For example, you can deposit your funds into the smart contract to generate interests. Examples facilitating NFT staking includes Kira Network, Only One, NFTX, Splinterlands, etc. In some cases, the rewards distributed to the stakers are denominated by government tokens. These protocols give their holders voting rights over their economic future development and allow them to earn coins through NFT yield-generating activities like reinvestment or holding on top for further growth opportunities. Provide liquidity to earn NFTs. NFT and DeFi integration makes liquidity easy for people like you who want quick access and can establish their position into given liquidity pools. For example, when you deposit tokens on Uniswap V3's automated market maker (AMM), also known as LP NFT currency code, that details how much is locked away per person share from total amount being incurred by all holders at any address. Adopt NFT-powered yield farming. Crypto users now have the opportunity to farm for yields using NFT-powered products. Yield farming is a new way for leveraging multiple DeFi protocols. And it's getting more popular because people like how easy it is. Throughput is an income-generating mechanism that unlocks the potential for layered yields. Yield farmers can use the tokens as collateral or stack them on top of other protocols to earn additional returns, just like how interest rates occur on a standard bank account. However, don't get too excited before looking into the risks. Many of these technologies and applications are still in their formative stage, so you have to do due diligence first. I hope this helped you find new ways to make passive incomes. After all, as I've said before, who doesn't want to make money while they're asleep? If not, don't worry. There are many more NFTs out there waiting for someone like you. That's all, guys. If you liked the video, please subscribe, like, and share, and hit the notification bell. This video was sponsored by NRGY.com. NRGY DeFi is the future of decentralized finance, a one-of-a-kind distributed business-building platform that enables the creation of decentralized apps, dApps. NRGY DeFi leverages the power of its financial technologies with an incentivized network community. For more information, visit nrgydefi.com. Thanks for watching.